Eggmas, day 9. For this eggmas, finally something that I feel confident making because this is something I used to make at work all the time. So it starts off with melted butter, and you can utilize a high-powered blender like this. Or you can use some steaming water, whisk in a bowl just like that. This is basically going to be just like making a mayo, so start off with egg yolks. I will say also it helps if you use eggs that are freshly bought. Old yolks will break easier. So usually this is done with clarified butter, but you can also use just melted regular butter. So with this, I just started off with a vortex. I slowly drizzled in my warm butter. Now, make sure that your butter's not hot because then you're gonna end up scrambling your eggs, and we don't want scrambled eggs. We want a beautiful, silky, smooth sauce. Keep drizzling it in slowly until it becomes a smooth consistency. Okay, now here's what we do. We take some hot water, put something else on top of it, and then just keep it warm like this. We can keep it on the stove on low. Yeah, so just like that guy said, keep it on the stove on low or just somewhere warm so the sauce doesn't break. Now, if it breaks, you could always fix it with a touch of water and whisking it up again just the same way that you made it. Hollandaise is such a simple and delicious sauce to make. It is one of my favorite mother sauces, by the way. Hot plate, hot food. One of the classics that you could put it on is maybe a Salmon Eggs Benedict, a poached egg. Let me know if you want me to do a full video on this one for Eggmas Day 10. Or you could do steak frites, maybe just steak by itself, who knows? Let me know. There we go, a beautiful Hollandaise sauce that you could put on pretty much everything. This is a steak. And then a Salmon Eggs Benedict. I don't know, should I do a video on Eggs Benedict? Like how to poach an egg or something? Let me know down below. Smash like, subscribe.